Hey, I'm Tom Walker. This season I've been riding the Highmark Pro by Snowpulse. It's got lots of storage, 22-liter capacity. It has the added security, of course, the airbag. You can stow away the pull cord too. I like riding with the airbag just for the added safety of an avalanche terrain. A lot of times you get split up from your group and you need self-rescue, so it definitely makes me feel safe that way. Ergonomic design, fits well on your body, adjustable, and I don't get sore shoulders at the end of the day with this pack. So it's a great bag, stoked to ride it.